Imagine two friends, Ben and Jerry, both 20 years old. Ben stays on Earth while Jerry travels through space on a voyage to a distant planet at 90% the speed of light. After being gone for 5 years, Jerry returns to Earth with an incredible ice cream recipe to find Ben much older than when he left. And while Jerry has aged only 5 years, Ben has aged nearly 12 years since Jerry's departure. But why is there now an age difference? This problem is known as the twin paradox and was proposed by Albert Einstein in 1905. For some reason, time passes faster for Jerry on the spaceship than it does for Ben on Earth. But why is that? The answer lies in a phenomenon called time dilation, which states that time will move slower for an object moving fast through space than for a stationary object. Now, to understand time dilation, we need to take a look at Einstein's theory of special relativity. Special relativity states that time is relative, so the faster your speed, the slower time moves, and the slower your speed, the faster time moves. In order to see why speed or velocity changes how you experience time, let's take a look at the equation for time dilation and how it works. The equation for time dilation is shown on screen, where delta t is the change in time for the stationary object, delta to is the change in time for the fast-moving object, v is the velocity of the moving object, and c is the speed of light. Now, higher velocities, where v approaches the speed of light, makes the bottom of the equation smaller, and as that value shrinks, the value of delta t grows, showing that time passes faster for a stationary object than for a fast-moving object. Now, looking back at that Ben and Jerry example, if we work it out, we can see that since Jerry had been gone for 5 years, traveling at 90% the speed of light, around 11.5 years will have passed for Ben. However, if Jerry had been traveling at a higher speed, say 99% the speed of light for 5 years, we can see how even more time will have passed for Ben. Instead of being 11.5 years older, Ben would be nearly 36 years older.
So, if you ever dream of space travel, just know, you might return home to a whole new world.